Hi everyone, I just wanted to share with you how to make your selections for 4.2 on the Unlimited campus. I know that I'd sent an email out earlier in the term and it probably didn't make a lot of sense, but I just wanted to let you know that things were underway. I feel like we have things finalised, so I just wanted to walk you through the process, make it easy for you, and hopefully you can get into it and get it sorted over the holidays perhaps, which gives us a bit of time to get things sorted at our end. So firstly, one of the things you need to do, battery, here we go. Firstly, there'll be a link in an email that I send you with this recording as well that should take you to this page that we're sitting on right now. So everyone should have access to this. You notice that you probably need to go into 2018 and to 4.2 to be able to see the options that are on offer for 4.2. You notice the page just changed then as I scroll down. Classes on the Unlimited campus are split into 5 colours. So you can see there's a red colours, classes, yellow, green, and blue, and orange. And I know that some of you will have used this over the years with your other Unlimited students, but there are some kids who are coming over for the first time and you've not experienced it, those families. So essentially you can have a wee look. You can only choose one of these for red, obviously, if you wanted to come over for the red block. If you want to have a deeper look at what 5 Maths C means, obviously the title is Pictures with Geometry. Greg is the person running it, and you can click on there and it'll take you to more information with a bit of a descriptor about what this class is actually going to be about. There's the descriptor, some outcomes, and Greg's the person running it. So that's essentially that. I'll click there and go back. Obviously it's exactly the same procedure for any of these. You see maybe Zach's one here. Oh no, let's go to this one. So 5 Tech. It's actually being run by Derek and Jared, this course. And if you have a wee look in here, there's some more information there about what they're planning on doing in the course. And if you want to look further, you can click on that link. So I'd spend some time sort of looking through these descriptors, seeing which ones are interesting, seeing if the times suit for you, and I'll show you that in a second, and then I'll send you also the link to the Google form that you can make your choices on. So if I quickly go through the last 2 things, there is this 4.2 timetable here, which I'll just bring up. Oh, I'm going to run out of power. I'm going to have to get some power. Excuse me. Panic. I made it. So you can see here in this page, a lot of this grey stuff up the top is sort of irrelevant, but you'll notice that the red block classes that were listed previously on this page, here in red, are listed here in the timetable, and this line here is Monday. It's 10:45 start, 12:15 finish on the Monday, and red also happens on Wednesday afternoon, 1:30 start, 3 o'clock finish. Both sessions are 90 minutes. And you would need to be able to do both of those. Otherwise you're only going to get half the content of the class, which makes it difficult, I think. That's about it for that, I think. Obviously, if you're choosing to come over full-time across the 4.2 block, you would have to join in with home base and community time in either one of these 2 communities here. So that'd be something to consider too. Okay, so if we go back here, so you might decide that you want to do pictures with geometry with Greg. The other link is that Google form I mentioned. In here I need your name, I need whether you're not participating at all, whether you're going to come over for the orientation day, which all new enrolments will do, whether you want to come to some classes, or whether you want to come full time. So that's the first part of that, or the second part. And then we just said that we wanted to do Greg's class, which was, I can't remember now, what was it? 5 Maths C. 5 Maths C, so I'll just choose 5 Maths C. And then we go from there. And that's pretty much it, really. I think that covers everything. The only other thing to consider is Friday and yellow. So if your students are doing Sport, Discovery or Unlimited, they won't be able to join in with the yellow and blue classes during Friday on this timetable. If I go here, so here's Friday, yellow and blue. So they will be missing those to go to Sport, which means they will only get half the course there and half the course there. So it's up to you whether that's going to work for you, but I think it could be potentially tricky. You're only going to get half the content. Right, so I think that's it. If you could get that done as soon as possible, that would be great. The only problem we have is if classes become too big, over about 28, then we have to start looking at moving kids to other classes. That would be the only thing to consider. Okay, hopefully that's helped.